Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do some paper weaving. Sorry for the darker video. These are some pre-made practice looms that are laminated and so they have a nice shine to them when the lights are on. I have chosen to make a warm color weaving here, and we have our paper loom and some strips. Weaving is all about pattern. It's going to create a pattern as you complete it. How to do it is a pattern also. It is all over, under, and then the next line you're going to swap and do under, over. So let's start out with orange. I'm going to start over. I go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. And the next best thing to do is to slide that down so that your strips will all fit. Then, in that pattern making, I'm going to switch to yellow. Take a guess how I'm going to start. If you said under, you were correct because this guy started over. So now I'm going to go under, over, under, over. Oops, see that? I almost messed up. Under, over, under, over, under. And I'm going to push that strip down. You'll see how that pattern's starting to create this almost checkerboard with the red. So now we're going back to the orange and over. It's going to go over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. I'm going to slide that down. These practice looms should fit about 6 of these strips, so I'm going to go back to my yellow, starting with under, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. You might notice it's kind of difficult to do, so by having this on the table, that table becomes that third hand helping hold what is called a loom to do your weaving. Alright, 2 more strips. We've got orange, we're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. I will warn you, even with the practice ones, the last strip is always the most difficult because it starts getting really tight in there, so be really careful when you are doing your weaving. We're going to start off under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. And I have my loom complete.